Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: device admin access and a working connection. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then VPN. If using an app, install it now from Play Store and sign in. If manual, prepare server address, username, and password, save them in a note. Once done, return to VPN settings to add a new profile. Make sure you grant any permission prompts. They let the VPN create the secure tunnel and route traffic correctly. You're in the profile editor now, so take it step by step. Choose the protocol that matches your provider. Open VPN for flexibility, IKEV2 for stability. Enter the server address and your credentials. If your provider gave a pre-shared key or certificate, import it here. Fill DNS or proxy fields only if required. Once the form is complete, save the profile and toggle the connection. This creates the secure route, so apps use the VPN when active. You can now connect by tapping the saved profile. Android shows a persistent VPN icon. This confirms traffic flows through the tunnel. Test by visiting a geo-check site or using an IP app to verify location change. If it connects then drops, make sure credentials and server are exact, switch protocols to see if one works better, and re-import certificates if needed. As a key tip, reboot the device and retry. This clears stale network states and often resolves stubborn VPN failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.